Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the 3-bar reversal pattern. So those who are already attend my classes, they have some doubts. So this video, via this video, I'm going to clear your doubts. First, you understand that 3-bar reversal we are using to find out a reversal in the market at highest as well as the lowest level. Okay, so the reversal may be possibly to continue the reversal uptrend after the major downtrend. So that is what the key concept we are using to find out such a opportunity. The main concept where we are using 3-bar setup is the buy at low and sell at high. That is what main concept. So we use the time frame, which is a daily, weekly, hourly, whatever the time frame we can use. If we are using any changeable values in a live market, the charting scanner will repaint. So how it will repaint? So for example, if I'm making a condition, for example, simple condition which I quote for the stock which forms a open equal to high. Okay, so the stock will stays open at 9:15 up to 10:30 if the stock trading with the open high. After 10:30, if the stock breaks the open high, the stock will be removed from the scanner. You got it? The stock will be removed from the scanner. You have to understand the stock will be removed from the scanner. Okay, if the stock stays until end of the day, the open high stays, the stock will be standing in the scanner. Same like that, on 3-bar reversal, we are using some point as a day low. This is what the 3-bar reversal exactly which is happening on the day low. We use the key as a day low. Once the day low is broken, the stock will be removed from the scanner. But if you have taken a position, that would be a stop it. Understood? That would be a stop loss kind of trade. You should understand we are finding a opportunity at very lowest point. If the stock keep on continuing the downtrend, there is a chances of that low would be that kind of stop loss would be triggered on the trade. So whenever you follow this method, you just be careful and watch the stock is bottom or top. Right. So if it is already down, so we are expecting from, so what is our aim? The stock is fallen down and down. If you form any kind of the pattern which is at lowest level, there is a reversal. So here there is a pattern which is a hammer candle which is present at the lowest level. There is a possibility of reversal too. But we are taking a very small risk. Same logic we are using for that 3-bar reversal. So today it is forms a 3-bar reversal on that particular time frame of 15 minutes. We use a day low as our conditions. At this time it broken your entry point and it's closed with a positive way, but it never trigger your stop loss. If any point of the time your stop loss got triggered here, the stock will be removed. And also someone who are very aggressive, what they are saying, if you are using a 15 minutes time frame, the stock it is started earlier. Whenever the starting time frame it started at 9:15 or 9:30 or 9:45. So you have to, if you are focusing at 9:45 to 10 a.m., if any stock which forms a pattern, if the same one within that 9:45 to 10:40 9:45 to 10 a.m., if the close is below the below this one, this will be removed, right? So we get a confirmed candle, confirmed pattern. So end of that time frame, whatever the time frame you are used, either a 15 minutes or 1 hour. So maybe it filter out some stocks. After sometimes later, without before closing of that particular candle, if it is fallen down, means 100% sure the stock will be removed from the list of the scanner. That is not a valid. It will not satisfied our conditions. So you have to understand that importance of that factor. Right. So this is what a key point. So today we have a lot of stocks. I don't know which stocks are forming such a pattern and then it triggers a stop loss. I don't know. But this one, iShares, Motor, Dixon, these are standing. And this was till end of the day, it never broken. But I didn't see what are the stock which may broken your stop loss I don't know. So let's see that another one which forms a 3 bar, right? It is forms a 3 bar and it is broken and small movement and then it fallen down, and where you keep the stop loss, it not triggered. So till end of the day the stock was standing here and it was there, and after sometimes later, when can you see at 10:30 we have NMDC. Meanwhile you can find out. So if you want to focus all the stock which is forming such a pattern, it will be finding out from this your stop loss will be there. But unfortunately, if any point of the time if the stop loss got triggered, our trade got it stop loss. But after end of the day, if you are seeing that in a charting scanner, the stock will be not available. It's a random. You can check whatever the stocks you want. So you can check. We know. So to find out the pattern, if the pattern doesn't form, it may let's say this one. This is looks Tata Steel may came around 10:30. Okay, so Tata Steel, it is a valid 3 bar pattern. Sorry, it is not a valid 3 bar pattern. So whenever it forms, so if it is valid 3 bar pattern, when this low is broken, it may be a stop loss trade, but it is not a 100% 3 bar pattern, right? But if it is broken down, the stock not satisfied your condition at this point, so it may be removed from your scanner. So that you should understand the first. And second, so we use daily time frame and weekly time frame and hourly time frame. So few weeks back we seen Axis Bank, so that forms a grade 3 bar on 16 minutes, and after that it fallen down to huge. So this is not Axis Bank, Axis stocks only, Axis Bank. So on hourly time frame, so this is what an hourly time frame I'm going to focus it for as a 3 bar reversal. And let's see what happened in Axis Bank 3 bar. So you have some questions on Axis Bank, not about here I'm talking about. I talked a few here. I said something on the starting of the month, April, May, June contract. So where I think the here, this is what another 3 bar. I think when I took a live class, I was finding out this 3 bar setup. But this setup which I used for monthly high, monthly high and weekly high. So if in this particular week if it is broken, it is a stop loss trade, and this was a price of 692. I think I was taking a live class on the day. I given a call also in buying a 690 put option, and after that our market comes to 640 630 level. So but we don't know how much it is going to become down, but we are finding out opportunity after a long uptrend. We are finding a downtrend, so that we use the candlesticks pattern to find out the trend. Let's see. This is what it happened. So here, from here it has started moving up. At this point I got a confirmation, so where there is a result. So after a downtrend we are focusing a buying trade. It's a big uptrend has happened, then we are finding out a selling opportunity using the candlesticks pattern alone. We are not going to discuss about any indicator other things. This is the simple candlesticks pattern we are focusing it for. After a downtrend we are trying to buy, and uptrend we are trying to sell. Maybe sometimes daily time frame, and there is a 2 time frame, so where we are using a 16 minutes. We have weekly and daily time frame as well as daily time frame. So weekly time frame we can take any point of the day or any point of the time we can try to take an entry, but daily time frame we can focus for after 12:15 only. That you forgot. Why? Because of daily time frame we are using a daily high and low as our stop loss and entry point. So maybe the first candle is 9:15 and 10:15 closing, and the second one is 11:15 and third one is 12:15. After 12:15 only 3 bar will confirm the reversal. 3 bar reversal will be taken a last 3 bar. So if you are using hourly time frame, around 12:15 only, after 12:15 only you have to find out opportunity. But if you are using a weekly time frame, you can find out any duration. That is even it may happen at 10:15 or 11:15 or 12:15 you can take, and it is a positional trade, not for intraday. But this one daily we are using for a intraday, right? So whenever you are focusing, which time frame you are focusing and which is the conditions you are focusing for, that is very important while if you are using 3-bar setup. And daily also we have good return on that particular time frame. So daily we use, there is a 2 conditions. What are the 2 conditions? It is one is a monthly and one is the past 30 days. So that you have to focus which one is the right one, or which basis you are going to take a trade, that you should understand. Right, there is no opportunity on Axis Bank, so a lot of stocks will be there. Tata Steel, so it is keep on going down. Let I find out. These are the 15 minutes time frame. Let I focus for reversal on daily. So bullish scan 16 minutes, which I focus. So recently, what are the stocks which I find out? IOC Maruti. Maruti at 1.7. So yesterday, Maruti, which forms an hourly time frame. Okay, so let's check it out. 3-bar reversal and Maruti hourly time frame, where you find out this is happening at 1st of July at 1:15. So this is what happening at 1:15. So this where we find such a great opportunity. So let's try it out. This is what a 3-bar. But you see the stock is fallen very big and trying to recover. So if it is recovered here, so it is recovered so a little bit. So we keep the stop loss at this lowest level, right? And another one is IOC. IOC, let's go for IOC, whether it is reversed or not. Let's see the IOC. This was the reversal pattern. Then it should not for an intraday, because we are using the hourly time frame. Maybe the daily low or daily high, whatever the thing we are using, it may be a daily low, right? That's okay. And we have weekly low also, right? In a weekly low, let's go for check some stocks. That Amara Raja HDFC Bank, that is happening on 1.7 at 10.15. This was a weekly low, and also it should be a daily low. HDFC Bank, I think. Let's check it out on hourly, same hourly time frame. Maybe this at July 1st 10 o'clock. Let's go for a scanner here. July 1st 10 o'clock HDFC Bank 10.15. That is a 10.15 candle. So you find out the 3-bar here. And also another candlestick pattern. It looks like a hammer. It's the biggest wick. So there is a possibility there is a reversal, that is you are seeing within a 2 days, the reversal you are seeing right now. So this you should understand whether what you are using, whether it is going to give you good profit. It is 100% giving you good profit. And LIC and Amara Raja batteries. Let's go for Amara Raja batteries. Let me say this one, I think at 10.15. So from that entry point, it is moving towards 472. Almost 10 rupees is moved up in 2 days. And LIC Housing Finance, you have to focus. So every trade I'm not going to find out. That's why most of the scanners which I provide free of cost. But this one I feel it's good. That's why I'm charging it for. So this is the trade where there is a big movement. A lot of thing will be there to understand. Not only the scanner will help you to make a huge benefit. So we have to work some more. And at this point of time at 1:15, there is a 2 stocks, Maruti and IOC. So Maruti, let's go for Maruti. This one, and IOC also be there. So when you want to real-time alerts from Telegram channel, you can get it from the channel too. So that we will help. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm discussing with you now. I hope I cleared your some of doubts on 3-bar reversal. If you want to the 3-bar reversal course, you can get it from me, and it is a video course available, and you can get it that from 3,000 rupees just from one time. And thanks for watching this, and thank you so much for being with me, and thanks for your great support on my YouTube channel and also on my Telegram and other things. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much. We will grow now. Thank you.